Hello viewers, this is Too Fast here. In today's video, I'll be using this Mother's Speed Clay 2.0 surface prep tool to remove any surface embedded contaminants on the outside of this vehicle. Now some of you might know or have used a clay bar to clean the surface of the vehicle, and those work very well to remove contaminants on the paint. But this Speed Clay 2.0 is a more durable and versatile paint restoration surface prep tool. It uses a rubber polymer material to remove embedded contaminants on the paint surface. You can also use this on chrome, glass, or even smooth plastics. This product will also remove any overspray if you happen to spray paint around your vehicle and some overspray gone to the paints. And you can use it over and over again. Typically you can use it up to 15 to 20 times for most average sized cars. Another great advantage of using this instead of a traditional clay bar is if you drop this on the ground, you can simply rinse it with water and it's ready for use next time around. Now with a traditional clay bar, if you drop it on the ground, you pretty much have to throw it away. Now if you want to know whether your vehicle needs to use a clay bar, just simply run your hand on the surface, and if it's not smooth like glass, then you should use a clay bar to clean any contaminants on the surface. The first thing you need to do is wash the car. Rinse the car off. Now to use a Speed Clay 2.0, you do need soapy water. And here I'm going to make a new clean bucket of soapy water. You can also use spray wax or spray detailer, but you do need a lubricant when you're using this. Take the clay bar and put in the soapy water. Lightly glide over the surface and overlap the sections. Now make sure you keep this lubricated. Immediately you'll feel it's a lot smoother. If there are a lot of contaminants on the paints, when you're using this, you actually hear and feel the roughness. So right now the right side of the hood is done. We'll rinse it off. If I put my hand over the surface, it's very smooth on this side, whereas on this side, it feels rough. So continue working one section at a time until the entire vehicle is done. So the hood is done now, and I'll continue on with the other body panels. Now make sure you frequently rinse this. Now I'm also going to do the window, and it's perfectly safe. To give you an example of how well the product works, you see this edge of the headlight here? It's kind of foggy. Something got sprayed on it, I'm not sure what it is, but it's caused the exterior of the headlight to be all foggy right here. And when I run my finger over it, I can feel there's something on it. I tried cleaning it, it won't come off. I'll even spray some water to show you. Still there. Now I'm going to use a Speed Clay. I'm going to gently go over the surface a couple of times. I'm not putting a lot of pressure on it. I can even feel the roughness. And as I go back and forth, it's a lot smoother now. Now I'm going to rinse it. And you'll see all this is clean. Still a little bit here and a little bit on the edge. As you can see, it cleaned up very well, very smooth, and it's all clear. Here's another example of the stain here. It's gone now. It's also safe on chrome. You can also use it on the wheel. Now after you're done using it, just rinse it. Also, if you happen to drop it, you can also rinse it off and then let this dry. Now let me show you what the speed clay looked like after it's been used. You can see some areas are definitely worn out more than others. I just finished claying the entire car. The process was very simple. The Mother Speed Clay 2.0 is very easy to use and requires very little elbow grease. Now after you do this, you want to dry the car and apply good wax on the exterior and add protection for your clear coat. Overall, I'm very happy with the performance of this product. I like the fact that it's very easy to use and you can use it multiple times and it's long lasting. This speed clay retails for $21. I'll put the link to where you can get this in the bottom description. I hope you enjoy watching this video and remember to click on thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.